Waiting for players. This is the first time playing this. This is the first time playing this game. So skipping Dr. Dial. Wait, what?
Wait, who are us?
Oh.
Who are
I'm whoever. I'm the cream bunny.
Which one
I'm
I
the
am?
cream bunny.
Which one I
This
am?
one.
Which one?
The yellow one. That one.
No, I'm not the yellow one. Look.
I'm the yellow one.
Which one I am?
You're the purple one.
I'm the purple one. I can't believe.
I have an appointment.
I want to do it. I want to do the appointment. Happened.
Okay.
Okay. We got ya. What?
I got room 1.
I got what? We have to follow her?
Yeah.
Lay down. Okay. What do you do?
We're playing doctors, I guess. Item.
Okay, Minnie.
We have to go find it. Oh.
Guys,
Stop it.
let's go to the door.
What do we do now? Oh, patient recovering. Listen, Bunny, what are you doing? Thank you, doctor. Why do you have a head bandage on if you have a stomachache? Okay, here's the next one. Oh.
I want to do it.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm not gonna get the dog.
I got room 2.
No.
Wait, what do we have?
I'm gonna stay here.
This gives me the creeps. It's fine. Nothing's going to happen to you. Wait, why is this red? Oh, this is a name.
What happened?
What are you doing? Oh, you're gonna stay there? Okay. You stay there and see if anyone else comes. Bright eyes.
Hey, where are you? Hey, where are you?
In room, go to the, wait, I'm gonna have to get the wrong one. I'm right here. Oh,
What happened?
2. Yay!
Who's coming?
Shift 1. Okay. Use shutters to reject. Sup, I'm
I
Philip
want to do
Sparrow.
it.
What do you mean? I know. I'm here for my appointment. You can't take the photo yet. Okay, what's the photo? I
I'm
expect it.
serious.
Is it good? It's fine. Nothing is wrong.
Come on, guys.
You got it? Talk. I got room 1! Yay! Let's go over here! Oh, wait, why are you taking... Wait, what is this? Clothes is in...
Someone's right there.
Oh my, wait, what?
Wait, someone was right there. I did.
Wait, why did you close the door, bro? You're not supposed to close the door!
This is so scary. This is so scary.
Wait, it just said stalker on your screen. What does that mean? Bleeding, bruises. We need bandages.
Don't go out there, guys.
Where are the bandages? Oh. You guys better not. Why are you bringing the wrong stuff?
What happened? What just happened?
Bro, the green one just did the wrong treatment.
He died?
Sorry. Okay. Okay. We have to do the next one.
Don't
I
go
guess.
out.
Oh, I hope you're not new at this.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah, you take the picture. Let me see. It looks fine. It looks the same.
Yeah. Okay.
I thought it was random. It says on big black screen what you need. Oh, I need to take this. Oh, wait, what the?
I did that.
Sorry. What did you just do? I'm supposed to do this.
Okay.
I will be in room 2. Okay, let's go.
Guys. This is so scary.
Guys, room 2 is right here.
There's a monster in here, Kaya.
Mm-hmm.
I just saw like this.
Process results. Canadian. Maple syrup. What's that? Jump scare. Oh.
He's getting the wrong
So
thing.
now you get. Wait, is he getting the? Yeah, he's getting the maple syrup. It's done already.
Now what? How we put it on?
Not yet, not yet. You don't need it. Get me herbs. I feel much better now. I'm doing the voice acting of the characters. Why are so many people? I'll stay on the register, I guess. If you're not new here. It's fine to me. you did the hospital deaths wrong.
I didn't.
You fed them the wrong thing. Oh, what the?
What happened? What happened, Kaya? Which one are you? Kaya, which one are you?
Okay.
Which one are you?
Shift 3.
Which one are you?
I'm the green one. This one. Shift 3. What does the shop do, by the way? Oh, shock people. Okay. I need to check in with people. Where's the check-in, bro? Oh, there's the check. Why are you so small? There's been no anomaly so far. It's fine. It looks the same. I'm also supposed to be a whore. I have 48% of my sanity. Coffee ready. Oh,
Where are you guys?
I can increase my sanity. Thank you.
I got a gun.
Oh, you can't get a gun. Okay, wait. Where did he go? Wait, what did you? Stop it. No, Zendaya.
What happened? What I did?
You just.
What? What I did?
You just closed the shutters when the patient just left. Oh my god. You don't close the shutters anymore. I
I want to do it. Kyle.
Oh, you'll do the next stuff. Go over there. It's fine. Go over there and go in the computer.
Someone's playing on it.
Go in the computer.
Where?
The computer, where I am. I'm not the green one, Zendaya. Go over here. Security cams. It's fine. I got room 8. Okay. 68. Here we go. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. This game is actually comp. What does this mean? What is this? Excuse me. What?
Someone wasn't here. I know. I saw people.
Great. We're gonna do surgery. Sleep patient. Okay. Begin surgery. Look at the black screen, this screen, and get the same things.
Okay.
What?
God. happened,
Someone put the wrong thing.
I didn't put it.
Okay, we'll do it again.
It was someone else.
Let's play again. Okay, we're gonna start over, and we're gonna see if we can do no dying. Yeah, you have to look at the big black screen. Oh my god. Wait, what color am I?
What?
Oh, you're pink. That's cool.
And why is she a big?
Dun, 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 dun. Ooh.
I'm gonna press it.
I'm cinnamon acorns. So, I want the chicken as a patient. Let me inspect it. It's fine. Where are the anomalies, bro? I want some anomalies in here. I don't have any stamina yet. Take back. Wait, what badge? Oh. Okay, what are you? Fuck. Thanks, I will be in room 1. But this is like the kind of tutorial that you use. Guys, are the myths real? What myths? What myths? Tell me everything. Tell me everything.
We're gonna check out your stuff. See, I did it. Hi, people. Close the door. It's okay. I'm just gonna jump on you and see how you
You
feel.
need stomach ache, which means you need herbs. Someone get some herbs, please.
I'm jumping on this. So
You got
she
it?
can-
Okay. Why are you jumping on her stomach? That'll make it worse.
I'm jumping on it so she could feel if it's bad.
You're making it worse.
What happened to my baby?
Thank you, doctor. Yeah. Okay, next one.
Next. I want to do
taking
it.
so long?
I want to do it, Kyle.
Okay, you can take the picture. Take the picture.
You want to see?
The picture is fine.
Good.
It looks fine.
Wait, let me do
You
this.
do that one. Thanks. I will be in room 2.
2? Room 2. Room 2, room 2, room 2.
Okay. Why did she close the door behind you? We need the patient to get in.
Patient.
Hello. Please sit down while I take, yes, a DNA sample.
I can't do it.
Do the computer. This thing. When it's ready. There.
What she said? Well,
We need eye drops. Please.
eye drops.
We're getting it. We're getting it. Do not get anything else. Yeah, there you go. Now, wait, what? What do you mean the doctor is arriving? Oh. Why is the doctor arriving? You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Hallow.
Hi, Doctor.
Okay. Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. Oh, okay. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Okay. Don't touch the shutters.
I didn't.
Oh, patient treated too. Yippee, we didn't kill anyone.
What happened?
We have $63 as an intern.
Yeah!
Oh, dude. Oh my god. I think we just met our first anomaly. Anomaly. You didn't even check the photo. No. Do not. He's twitching weird. Don't. I think we should reject him.
What happened? I didn't.
No, we have to. Look at how he's moving. Look at it. See? I don't think he's. What?
What
No
happened?
service? Okay.
What
There you
happened?
go. I'm leaving.
What happened?
Thank God. His head was
You did camera.
moving. Weird. Why are their heads moving weird? What?
Huh?
Oh!
What happened?
Close it. What?
What happened?
Look in the cameras when the head is twitching. Not yet though. Okay.
What happened?
Oh my God,
Close it.
another one. Brr. Oh, he's okay. Oh, sorry.
Let's see who this squish.
Clear. Okay, this one you can't close. Don't close it. This one's fine. This one is fine for once.
Tell me if
No, he's not. He's fine. He's fine.
I see him shaking.
No, he's not shaking. If you took in the cameras, it'll be fine.
Where the cameras?
No, that's not the cameras.
Which one is it?
The big. Wait, it's fine. It's fine. I'll show you later after. What is clean slime?
Look, someone's here.
Shift 2. Where did?
He's not moving his head.
I got room 5. Don't look up. Do not look up. You'll die.
Why? Why can't? Why can't, Kaya? Why, Kaya? Tell me.
Because if you'll die, because there's a monster there. Maple syrup.
I hear it. I just saw it, Kaya.
Don't look at it. You'll lose your sanity.
I just saw it.
This makes $63.
Kaya?
Oh my god, wait. I didn't mean to do that. Yes, I will from request.
This is so scary.
Oh my god. Oh, I need to drink some coffee. Where's coffee?
Why?
Because coffee helps your sanity.
Ah! Someone...
Okay, coffee. Nope. Close that, please. Thank you. I'm leaving.
I'm gonna have some chocolate.
No, you can't have that yet. Wait, we have one patient only. Clear. Hey, why do you only have one horn?
Look.
Why is the glass broken? Okay, inspect that. I would be so good at being an anomaly doctor.
Don't look up, Kaya.
What? Why is the lights going off? Excuse me? What is this? Trash item.
Don't look.
I hope I can get out of here soon. I don't think we can get out of here soon.
Don't look up.
Not yet. It says when you're not supposed to look up. I don't think you're not supposed to look up here. Okay, take that. Do this. Do the computer someday after it's done.
What?
You do the computer like I showed you before. Not yet though.
Don't look up.
Now. Medkit. IV drops.
It's leaking, Kaya.
Do
Kaya,
IV drops.
It's leaking. Don't
Medkit.
look up. Don't look up. leaking. Don't look up. Don't look up, Kyle. It probably gonna leak. It's leaking. It's leaking.
The doctor is arriving. Why is the doctor arriving again? The doctor doesn't need to do anything.
Someone's here.
I'll go get it. You guys stay here. I'm opening new facilities for you. Oh, okay. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Okay. Ah, 3, 0, 2. Oh, 2 anomalies. Animal deaths. Hospital reforms go. Yay! Best. I am the best. I am the best.
You did that?
Okay, next one. Hello, my name is Noah Yoshihara. Is he clear? I have an appointment. Is he clear?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
I'll do this.
Okay, you do the paper. Take it. Take it. Take it. Oh my god.
What happened?
Why did the visitor faint? Where do I take her? Oh, go, 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 go.
Kyle.
Okay, I guess we have to watch out for that. I'll wait for the other patient. Wait, where are you? Oh, you're going for the other patients? Okay. Go to the other patients. No, 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 wait, wait, wait. Don't do anything yet until the cameras are on. I'll tell you when she says clear. Oh my god. Eye drops, medicine, herbs.
All clear. All clear.
Herbs.
Hurry! I go get her.
Take her to her room.
I wanted to get her.
It's okay. It doesn't really matter. Nope. Okay, the patient is already done, I think.
Guys,
I'm gonna go over there. I don't think that's very, yeah, just leave.
Kyle.
What? Did you guys do the other patient?
Someone's here. Close.
No, not yet. 4, why?
What happened?
What is that music? Did you guys, you didn't even, yeah, I know. You guys didn't even help this patient. You go over there and check in the things. You.
No, it's too scared.
Oh my god. Herbs. Dun 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 dun. Okay, that one's done. Good. You guys are doing the other ones? Okay. You guys are doing those. Is it good? I think it's good. Who's in there? Bro, are you just gonna stand there? Okay. Are you just gonna, it's like, are you just gonna stand there? Should I stay here while you guys handle the rooms?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Wait, why is she still... Oh, thank you, doctor. No, you stay here while we handle the rooms. Ellaby and room 2. Okay.
I'll go get room 2.
Yeah, sure. Okay, time. Oh my god, don't look up, don't look up.
Don't look up, guys. Don't look up, guys.
Don't look up, that thing is back. Why is that thing even here? It should be in the main room so he can eat more people. Wait, he only has eyes though. I guess it's not.
This is so scary.
Medicine and eye drops. I'll go get that while you stay here. Eye drops and medicine. Where's the medicine? Stop that. 3 is here. Oh wait, I thought. Oh. Ooh, there's gloop. Stop it. You don't have to stay there anymore. He's done.
Then why is she not getting up?
No, she's gonna get up. Why are you over there?
Hi, where are you?
Come look. Okay. You sit here with the patient.
Which one? She's all done.
The picture is like not normal. Oh, wait, did you check the cameras?
No. Where's the cameras?
Huh.
How we check? There's a box.
Him! Don't let it slide.
What happened? What happened? What happened, Kyle? Her head was moving?
Yeah, her head was moving. The picture was weird.
Kyle, don't get out.
I have to go fix this other patient. Yeah, why are there more anomalies popping up, by the way? Better safe than sorry. Cough syrup. If the other girl is doing what she's supposed to be doing, like if she's doing stuff, just go with her. Patient discovering.
Someone's here.
Oh my god, surgery. There's gonna be surgery. Surgery
Something.
room. Today I need you to help me with this. I need you to check if the patient is okay. I don't want to touch anything though. You just...
What happened?
Okay, put people to sleep.
Okay.
You already get that, right?
Yeah. Hey, y'all.
We need a who did that?
I didn't do anything.
Did you put it in twice?
No. I know what the blue purple one.
You can put if you put it in twice accidentally, it's okay. Some patients may seem unstable. Yeah, we already know.
What happened?
403 deaths. Poor. Why do you say poor? Sugar Star. We have new supplies and NPC speed check extra checking window. What's 155? I'll just buy this one. Let me expect.
You see it?
What? No? What do you mean no?
You see?
Oh my god, look at it. Look at it. See? Don't. Look at this other screen.
Okay, close it.
Use the tape. We should use the taser. We should use the taser.
Someone's
Next.
coming.
Wait, what? Is there another person? Oh, okay. Is she good?
Look,
She's fine.
someone's here.
Wait. Oh my god, wait, there's two! Zendaya, I need you to do this one. Zendaya, I'll be the doctor. I'll lead the people to their appointments. You are going to do... What did you just... Why did you use the shutters?
Because it was a bad guy. Okay, I'll be this thing.
Oh my god, yeah.
What happened?
Don't! Why did you close that?
Nobody's here. Oh.
Don't close it, don't close it. Wait,
No.
it's not good, it's not good, it's not good. Close it, close it. Use it. Well, no, stop.
What happened?
Oh, no.
No, it was his head.
No, I could have used a taser. Okay, I'll keep the taser. Just in case. Oh, is he good? No, okay. Wait. I will use the taser. How do I use the taser?
Go outside.
Haha. The taser is done. I have other things to do, you know.
She was moving. She was moving.
She's fine.
She is?
Is her photo fine? Yeah, she's fine.
Okay.
Why are there two things now? I need you to work on the girl will work on another angle.
I'll work out. Can you help? Can you?
No. You have to stay in here because there's two windows now. So I'll be over here. Clear. No, do not close it.
Someone is moving their
No,
head.
this thing says clear. I'll tell you when if they're clear or not. Wait, where did they go? Oh.
Is it not clear?
Wait. Not yet.
It's not clear?
No, not yet. Oh, can you give me a coffee? You have to give them a coffee.
Okay.
It's actually a pretty nice game to play. It's actually
What?
It's calming. What?
Did he just laugh?
Yeah, I probably did. I'm gonna give you medicine.
Hi, can you come here?
Normal,
Is it normal, Kaya?
regular day of tasing anomalies. Oh, this is from accounting. You ever wonder why they keep new people? I don't know. Never mind. Oh, there's someone here. was that? Bro.
He's not right. Use the laser, Kaya.
What do you mean he's not right?
Look. Look.
Nothing's wrong with the photo. Room 5, okay. Okay.
Room 5. Okay, sir.
Okay, she's done.
Kai, can you help me with room 5?
Uh-huh. It's a regular room. Oh my god.
What happened?
Go help, What?
What happened? Kai's in her door.
What are you doing? I'm doing this now, I guess. I'll be at check-in.
Someone's dead, Kaya.
It's a skinwalker. Is he good? I think he's good. Yeah, he's fine.
Kaya, can you be this?
I will be that. You go do the OMG. They look the same. Sorry. Yes. Hello.
Look at the cameras.
Yeah, I will.
Look at this camera.
Nope, please. Do not start. What? No, do not. Close
Why?
it, close it.
Why?
There's an anomaly. He was literally stuck in the thing of me.
Who was it? This guy?
Nice.
Right
No,
here?
the other guy.
You mean this guy over here?
Yes. He was literally sucking the camera in. I'm not gonna do that. The nice job of getting
Oh, no, someone's here bad.
Why do you want a coffee?
Bad, Kai, bad.
Why do you need a coffee? I wanted to check in as a patient. Are they all operational? Can you keep this suitcase safe for a while? Yeah, I can. Except suitcase.
Kai, can you check the people, please?
I am. That's what I'm doing. The people are fine.
There's people over here.
Yeah, they're fine. What about the photo? What's wrong with the photo? Is there anything wrong with the photo? Yeah.
Stop. What happened?
Nothing's wrong. Keep going. Can I open this? I can't. Okay. I got room 8. Okay.
Oh, I will go. You stay here.
Okay. I'll keep these in check because I know how to check for anomalies. 4.
Number what?
I'm Jory Kobayashi.
Number what? Oh, I see that guy.
I have an appointment. He seems fine. I'll check the photos in case. Oh, he's fine. Oh, just a regular patient. Let me see if I can. Just a regular patient. Talk with you. Okay, we got another one at room 6.
Someone's dead.
But they were an anomaly. Oh. I must have picked the wrong person. Who's that? But why is there no patients left? Oh, you guys have to,
I was doing the right thing.
no, they were an anomaly. Why were they an anomaly?
This is really bad. Kyle?
You go help the other one, the other person.
Which one? You.
Where are the other people? Go help the other person. Where's the other person? Oh, she's doing that. Oh. Why didn't nobody check into this? Flo. We need cough syrup.
I'm not doing this.
Where's the cough syrup? I've got
I did the thing, and I did the shoe, and then it turned to
the
a
doctor's arriving.
monster. What?
Doctor is arriving. There's been a huge anomaly. There's been a huge anomaly, Tech. What?
No way!
Oh my god.
What happened,
Oh
Kyle?
my god, no! There's gonna be a rush. There's gonna be a rush. We have to get ready. Get ready.
What's that?
Speed run.
Kyle.
We have to get everything ready. Help! How do I help you? How do I? Thank you. Critical patient. Why are you guys? Go to room 5. Hurry.
Room 5? I am in room 5.
There's a patient. Jesus. Hurry up and get the things. Struggle.
20, 19, 18, 17.
What are you doing?
15, 14, 13, 12.
We need maple syrup. What are you doing? Where's room 6? Okay, you got that one done. Oh my god. Okay.
Don't look up.
But that was so stressful.
Don't look up. Don't
Okay,
look.
is that everything? Or you're doing that one? Is there anything else?
Someone's here.
Jesus, we need other recovering.
Kai, there's someone.
Where? Why are these people still, are they still recovering? Oh. Oh, we need this one. Oh,
What happened? Can we play another game?
I think that's it.
What happened?